Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy USD on Trust Wallet only way. Open Trust Wallet and ensure you have BNB or the required gas token ready. Use the DEX or in-app browser to find USD on the correct network and paste the verified contract address. Set slippage, confirm the swap, and wait for the transaction to finalize on-chain before viewing your new balance. Start by funding Trust Wallet with enough BNB to cover gas and the USD purchase amount. If you use an exchange, withdraw to your Trust Wallet address and wait for confirmations. Verify the token balances and network, BSC, Ethereum, or other, matches the USD version you want. This prevents stuck transactions and lost funds and keeps the swap process smooth and predictable for first-time users. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation: I love the mindset in the simple path to wealth. It pairs well with learning crypto basics and smart savings. Look in the description for the book link and any deals we found for viewers. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Use the DEX tab or in-app browser to navigate to the swap interface and paste the verified USD contract address. Enter the amount, adjust slippage tolerance to account for price movement, and approve the token's spend when prompted. Confirm the swap and monitor the transaction hash in the Activity tab until it is confirmed. Once complete, your USD will appear in your Trust Wallet balance and be ready for transfers or holding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.